Hey guys, welcome back to building the Fury rocket. Today we're gonna work on the nose. So without further delay, let's begin. Alright, so I got the nose done, and here it is. It's not as pointy or tall as I wanted. I just wanted to look something like, let me grab it. This is another rocket I made. A little bit more taller but narrow. But otherwise, it came out fine. Easy access to this part, so I can hook the rubber band parachute to it. The rubber band's gonna hold the rest of the body to it. Otherwise, there's the whole rocket, which is too tall for my little set. Okay, so there it is, and it just snaps on really simple, like this. Oop, a little too light, but otherwise, you get the point. This goes on like that, and when it's flying through the air, the wind should push down on it, keeping it on. But once the two rocket engines on here go off, it should eject it off real easy. So with that done, all we have left to do is make the bottom will hold the rockets in for falling, and should be ready for launch. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.